Good morning, class. In today's class, we will discuss question and answer of chapter number 15, Our Earth. So, let's discuss the answers. The first question is, what are the natural things? Give two example. So, see, the natural things are naturally given to us. It is given by nature. They are all living things. Okay, all living things are called natural things. So the answer which is given in our book is the landforms and the water bodies are called natural things. According to the chapter, the natural things are water bodies and landforms. But all living beings, including non-living things, which are generally created by our nature, is called living thing. So the example of these natural things is trees and animal. These both are example of natural things. Okay. The next question is, what do you mean by forest? So I have already taught you the green area on the earth that are completely covered with trees are called forest. So whenever you see lots of trees uh, in a large area, you can say that that is a forest. The third one, what is atmosphere? So the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Uh, this you already know that our earth is surrounded by a layer of air which include nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and some other gases. They create a layer which is called atmosphere. Okay. The next one is, what are man-made things? Give two example. So man-made, the word already describes that the things which are made by human being, made by us, they are called man-made things. And the example of these man-made things are tree, houses, road, buildings. You already notice this in your surrounding. So the things which we create or made by any man or human being, they are called man-made things. So dear kids, I hope you have understood this question and answer session, and if in case of any doubt, you can clear it out in your assignment group, and you have to write this question and answer in your notebook, and after doing it, you can send it in your WhatsApp assignment group. Thank you, class. Bye bye.